didn't know what it was, and some of the websites says download this app, you'll be able to know your answers. So I downloaded this app, and I'm not good at using it yet. Let's go through and take a look at what this app can offer to you. When I click on the calendar, I go back yesterday, 24th. These are the two English words you need to understand. Conjunction and occultation. It's not that important, but just in case you want to know what it is. Conjunction, I'm not quite sure. I think it's not the moon blocking the planet you want to view. It's called a conjunction, probably. Let's go back to occultation. Occultation is like where the moon is blocking and the planet you want to view. That's called the occulation. Let's go back and look at the words moon is close to the planet. This is a very important word in this app that you must take note, because you don't need to have a telescope to see this planet in the sky next to the moon. When you use the SkyTonight, look for this word, moon is close. It's very important that you understand and be on time to view the planet. Let me go back to the calendar. The calendar is quite interesting. It shows a lot of dots here. You have yellow dots, blue dots. This is actually the dots for the viewing, for you to understand what's happening on that particular day. Like yesterday, I saw the planet Venus. So if I click on the planet Venus, this is Venus. From Earth, you can only see a very bright light. You cannot see the color gold. They give you a lot of information here about the planet. Now, I want to click on the figure here. The figure here, if I use my finger and touch on the left chart, we can move around. The peak is where the brightness Venus is visible to the naked eye. You don't need to have a telescope. Visual magnitude minus 4.0 is the brightest. It's quite bright. You can go outside on a very clear sky to be able to see Venus. I want to go to the calendar and show you on the 28th what happens. On the 28th, there's another title that says moon is close to the planet, and which planet next will be the Mars. If I click on the planet Mars, let me click on the figures. Visual magnitude is 0.9. It's not negative, it's 0.9. 0.9 is quite bright, it's like 90% according to them it's 90%. You see the visual magnitude is 0.9, and the illumination here, it says 90% illumination. That is very bright. Now that's not joking, that's really bright. The time it says it's about 9 o'clock. If I go back to the chart here, 9 o'clock is like the Mars is moving away. So if I use my finger on the left red color, if I touch it, it will show you the time around 6:48, where it's at the peak. This is where the Mars is most visible and it's the brightest. And it will move away. If you move the chart here, it will move away from your location. Move away meaning that the rotation of the Earth will makes the Mars look smaller and smaller and smaller. I'm using my finger to drag the chart on the left side, but I'm also can use my finger to drag the minutes on the right side. If I can just dial it, if you look at it. As I dial the minutes, the chart also updated. Yeah. On 28, everyone go outside, have your camera, telescope, or if you want to use one, get ready and do some recording. I'll be there. Go back to the info, click on Mars, info. This is the picture of Mars, and again, I don't think you can see this picture as red color. Go back outside. Now look at the compass. As I move my camera around, the compass is moving. If I click on the compass and I point to my feet, this is what I see. Now I'm not moving with my finger, I'm just moving the camera around. It will show you, this is east, yes. This is east. If I look up, that's the moon there. Uranus, the moon. And that's Mars. This is showing today, March 25th, and that's Mars. Now if I can just zoom in, I use two fingers. Yeah, there you are. Beautiful, isn't it? Try this app on your own and be ready on 28th March, Tuesday. Yeah? Bye-bye. I miss Venus, but I hope I'm not gonna miss Mars.